Alright guys, what's going on? So I want to do a little bit of a different video today because normally I post vlogs if you've been following the channel. But this video is going to be my first kind of like unboxing. Just because I don't know, I just feel like doing it, and I just bought something recently. So I'm going to do the unboxing for that in this video. So recently I bought a new gold chain from Jacoje. It's my fourth time or fifth time buying from them, and yeah, we're just gonna unbox what's inside this today. Yeah, I already opened it from the FedEx package, so just gonna unbox this. So just opening the box. So this is the card that you get when you open them, and I got a rope chain 3mm wide at 18 inches, and I know that like for some people 18 is like a choker, but I'm only 5'7", so, and I actually prefer the 18 inch more than the other sizes, but I only wear the 18 and the 20 inch, and I think it's like perfect. I think this is about 20 inches long. So it comes with a patch, the chains is in here, got some stickers, whoops, and then this is the first time I got a box from them with a Bible verse, which is actually pretty cool. Alright, so with the chain, comes in another plastic bag, and it's always smaller than you think, because on videos, when you watch his videos, it looks bigger than it is. But yeah, so this 3mm rope chain, 18 inch diamond cut. Yeah, pretty happy with it. It looks so nice. I'll go outside and show the shine in the sun. But yeah, I think like rope design is definitely my favorite. It's pretty flashy. So I'm just gonna put it on. There you go. Zoom in. So this is what it looks like at 18 inch. I'll just move this just for some people who just want to see the chain by itself. Yeah, that's how it sits on my neck for 18 inch. And I'll probably just wear it like this if I want to chain it. So this was 2,300 Australian dollars, and then I had to pay for shipping overseas because I'm living in Australia and Jacoje is, you know, in the States. So that's another $100. And I did not know this, but when the shipment arrived in Australia, I got a text from FedEx saying that I had to pay for duty and taxes. And like at first I thought it was a scam. I'm like, oh, what the heck? Why am I paying another $400 for it? But I messaged Brayden, and apparently he said, yeah, it's a normal thing that they do. So I had to pay another $400. So this thing nearly cost me like $3,000 just for, you know, having it. Also, I want to mention that on the website it said that it was going to be about 15 something grams, but on here the gram weight is at 13.4, and that's probably because of the diamond cut. Now while we're at it, I'll just show you what I bought from him in the past. So a few years ago I bought a Franco. This is a 1.2 and also an 18 inch diamond cut as well. Got that like about 2 years ago. Then this is a 2mm rope chain as well, diamond cut at 18 inches, and it's pretty like, I don't know if you can see it. Take the tracking off. It's quite a bit of a difference from the 2 to 3. Oh, where it is. I also got a rope bracelet right here. Rope bracelet, 2.5mm wide, and this is my very first piece. First thing I bought from him way back in like 2018 or 17, which is 3mm also, diamond cut, but at 20 inch. So yeah, a lot of ropes. Okay, so the main reason I buy rope chains from Jacoje is because in Australia they actually like don't sell solid rope chains. They only sell hollow. And the mistake that I made when I first bought a gold chain is buying hollow, especially rope, because I know they do machine makes now, but sometimes people handmade it, which means like it's more fragile. And when it's more like when it's hollow and then also it's already kind of like fragile, it breaks easy, right? And that's what happened to me, because I bought one way back when I didn't know much about like, you know, too much details about buying gold chains and stuff like that. Got a hollow rope chain, and like I think a month later, accidentally pulled it too hard from, I don't know, moving around or whatever, and then it broke. And when you break rope chains, you can't actually like fix it really, because I know like they probably can do fix, but then like it just looks weird. So it's kind of like that situation. Once it's gone, it's gone. So Braden uploads a lot of videos educating about each different chains and on his channels, all that kind of stuff, and pretty much decided to pick up this from him from the very first purchase, and it's like so worth, you know, buying solid, and especially at 14 carat, because in Australia they only sell 9 to 10 carat. So I'm just gonna go outside into the sun and show you guys how much it shines. So what I'm going to do is showcase how I might be wearing this. So this look right now is probably going to be the most common. I'm going to do the double rope, but I think it's going to be too flashy. I don't know, I feel like that double rope is too much. I don't know, I feel like this double rope look is too much. It's kind of like too flashy. That's why I don't think I would ever go above 3mm. Got a Miami Cuban link, but this is not Jacoje. This is one I got from Australia, but this one sits at 2mm. I might do that, I don't know. It's kind of different because this is 9 carat, this is 14. I don't know, you can tell by the camera, but the color of it is a little bit different. This one's a little bit more orange, but this hasn't been cleaned for a while, and obviously that is new. So be the last look. I might do 2 chains with 18-inch, maybe like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, I just wear 1 chain and just wear that. Just the rope. I don't think this is heavy enough for it to drop, but let's find out. Maybe like that. What do you guys reckon? It's not too much of a drop, but yeah. So maybe I'll wrap the video here. 3mm 18-inch from Jacoje, diamond cut. I highly do recommend it if you're looking to buy something for yourself. Alright, if you like the video, like it if you want, subscribe if you want. Like I said, it's a bit of a random video, but oh well, life is random. See you guys.